Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone. My name is Pratap Singh Ramesh More. My group members are Prashant Lohar, Kale Rugved and Purushottam Jadhav. Here we are presenting our first PPL activity number 1 on subject RET. We are from 3rd year Mechanical Engineering. Let's have a look on our subject and video.
Title of the project: Solar Based Wireless Power Transfer. Content: Introduction. What is solar based wireless power transfer? How to work solar based wireless power transfer? Advantages of solar based wireless power transfer and outcomes. Introduction. WPT is a technology that can transfer power to locations which are otherwise not possible or impractical to reach. The objective of this project is to design and construct a method to transmit wireless electrical power through space and charge designated low power devices. The system will work by using resonant coils to transmit power from an AC line to a resistive load. Investigation of various geometrical and physical form factors evaluated in order to increase coupling between transmitter and receiver. It would also ensure the safety of the device, since it would eliminate the risk of short circuits. Let's see what is solar based wireless power transfer. The solar panel supply electrical energy which is stored in rechargeable battery of 12 volt via charge controller. LCD is used to indicate solar panel and battery status. For that, 12 volt supply is divided to 3 to 5 volt for Arduino controller by using registered divider network. Energy transfer by electromagnetic introduction to the receiver are via inductive coupling. The inductive coupling is used as the antenna to wireless power delivered from the transmitting to the input of receiver. Receiver unit, the bridge rectifier, is used to convert AC voltage to produce DC. This is the block diagram wireless power transfer by using solar energy. How to work solar based wireless power transfer. The charge controller circuit is divided in 6 sections for better understanding. First one: voltage sensing, PWM single generation, MOSFET switching and driver, filter and protection, display and indication, load on and off. This is a circuit diagram. This is the block diagram. Block diagram showing wireless power transmission. Let's see the explanation of our block diagram. The AC signal is rectified to the DC signal using the bridge rectifier section. First, the obtained DC signal passes through the feedback winding 1, which acts as the oscillator circuit. Current passing through the feedback winding 1 causes the transistor 1 to conduct, allowing DC current to flow through the transistor to the primary of the transformer is left in the right direction. When current passes through the feedback winding 2, the corresponding transistor start conducting and DC current flows through the transistor to the primary of the transfer in right to left direction. Thus, an AC signal is developed across the primary of transformer for both half cycles of the AC signal. The frequency of the signal depends on the oscillation frequency of the oscillator circuits. This AC signal appears across the secondary of the transformer, and as the secondary is connected to primary of another transformer, a 25 kHz AC voltage appears across the primary of the step-down transformer. This AC voltage is rectified using a bridge rectifier and is then filtered and regulated using LM7805 to obtain a 5 volt output to drive an LED. The voltage output of 12 volt from a capacitor is used to power the DC fan motor to operate the fan. Let's see the advantages of solar based wireless power transfer. Unlimited energy resource, energy delivered anywhere in the world, zero fuel cost, minimum long-range environmental impact. Solar radiation can be more efficiently collected in space. This is our outcome of our project. Our project has mainly focused on both the technologies solar power generation and wireless power transfer together, as this would be the major advancement in the field of technology of using renewable and wireless technology together. If we can overcome these constants, then we could implement this technology in various applications such as airports, home appliances, office environments, and any other public spaces. This is our end of our project. Thank you so much.
Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.